here's a chord progression that's going to pretty much combine a lot of the factors that I've been talking about, and it's a longer progression. And you know, when one tends to want to just follow a chord progression with one key or one scale that fits over all chords, you really want to stop and say, well, if I work a little bit harder, I can follow each chord. If I really think, and if I play really slowly, I'll have enough time to change chords with the progression. So let's try a long progression, and I'm going to follow each chord really obviously, and then I'm going to break it out a little bit, and you can watch some of the more advanced ways of following the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4.